Hi guys, today this is part 4 of the video. So earlier he made the robot, so we couldn't make the video like earlier. Kept 7 a.m. So this is the things he's making. He's taking it off so he can show you to you guys. Don't mind the background because it's just someone being noisy.
Like my annoying
cousin. Don't call him, no. Don't call her.
When he said a bad word when
say bad word.
They don't understand. They don't understand Filipino.
Just ignore it.
Yeah. So guys, yesterday I just watched Lilon's Stitch.
If you're my classmate in grade 1, like
show him,
like Celine or Zane.
We're not gonna talk about that anymore. We're gonna talk about this robot. So this is part 4, you guys. So this is the last final part, I think.
I made this.
Yeah.
There's when I have all of the robots,
it's currently 10.
It's the final round.
Okay, guys. So show them. So some of you guys didn't watch our other videos. So our first video, you guys, there's only 3 views. I told you guys to watch all
It's
our
like
videos.
this one.
Yeah.
The first one.
Yeah, can you put those parts together back so they can see? Wait. So, look at this.
Andito po kami sa basketball.
We're not in basketball.
So
Just
guys,
ignore it.
Yeah, look at this, guys. He's
Tapos
making this.
pagtapos, follow, like, subscribe.
Narinig nila.
Just ignore that.
Okay, can you
No,
show?
it's not ignore that.
Okay, that's just my sister, guys. She's just being noisy because we're filming a video. She's never like this. She's not like
do
this.
not care.
Whoa! She's being noisy right now because we're making a video. Plus, this video is very important to us. Can you show them?
Wait, I'm troubling.
So we got 3 viewers in our other video, the first video. So he might face reveal,
This
right?
is the full. Yes.
Since we got 3 views, he's
When
gonna
you
do a
like,
face reveal.
when you subscribe to that video, I'm gonna face reveal in the ending.
No one's gonna like it though. Guys, show it. Okay, guys, it's done. So
Like,
finally,
subscribe,
for the face
follow.
reveal. You ready? You ready? Are you sure about this?
No.
Guys, in our next video, we're gonna do his face reveal. He doesn't want to do it yet. So show it to me.
If you're my classmate, you'll know my voice when we're classmates.
Yeah, we're still in school, y'all. But our school just ended, and I'm just showing his body, as his head.
Nagkita ila.
Right. So bye, guys. Like and subscribe.